It's time for another unboxing. So what we have first is, you can see that, 84 Engineering, and it is a disc grinder. This is the motor. This is the adjustable table and all the parts for it. The difference with this disc grinder is it's slightly crowned, so as you're putting your blade across, it's never going to meet on this side. Obviously this side is going to be turning up and this side I'll be throwing it down, so if you put it too far across it can knock the blade out of your hand. Now I always work on the downside anyway, because I don't really want a blade getting chucked in my face. I still need to wire this up, but I'll put it together to show you what it looks like. There's a keyway in this and a grub screw. And there you go. You can use it with or without the work rest. Personally, I'll be taking the work rest off and just using the plate on its own, because I'll be using it for flattening blades off. This is a 84 Engineering one, like I said, and it's available from John at Multitool Products. I'll put his link in the description. Check it out. I ordered this last week off Northwestern Knives. And it's another grinding jig. I'm going to be using this one mostly for my kitchen knives. I really like the fancy colour on these. I got to play with one of his jigs at the knife show, and I really like how like down heavy it is. A lot of the time when I'm grinding and holding onto it, I tend to tip forward, especially with the kitchen knives, because they're so long. I'm supporting them there and I end up knocking it forward and jar the edges. I'll put his link in the description, so if you're after one of these, give him a message. I think he's making more. Yeah, so give him a shout, give him a follow. Thanks a lot for that, mate. So because I'm absolutely fed up of like searching out for clothes at home to wear at the workshop, I decided to get some overalls over the top so I can just wear what I want. These are the Bernie workwear ones I bought from America. I couldn't find any like these in the UK. I went with the padded ones because obviously it's the UK and it's absolutely freezing the majority of the time. However, it's sunny today, so I won't be wearing them, and I'm wearing shorts. These have like a really tough, durable, I don't know, like a denim stuff. And what I liked about these ones, which I couldn't find in the UK, is they zip up the front so I can get my fat belly in them, and then obviously it goes over the shoulders like so. Also with these ones, you got these extra pockets up here, extra pockets in here as well, and it's got a phone doodah on the inside to keep me pennies. Back pockets, side pockets. So basically with these I can just leave them at the workshop and just come wearing whatever I want. And it makes my life a hell of a lot easier. This was very kindly sent to me by one of my customers. He bought a knife recently and wanted to send me something in return. So let's have a look. It's a cool little tote. I think I'll be putting that on my bench and putting all my odds and sods in that. It'll come in handy towards the back of the other bench because I have just crap laid forward of it. Also sent me King Dick, obviously because he knows that I'm King Dick in my house, so I might put that on a necklace or maybe turn it into a knife. We'll see. There's a little note there from Brad as well. Thanks a lot for that, Brad. Really appreciate it. I hope you like your knife, and yeah, this is going to come in handy. Another thing what I've got, I'll show you. They went to the wrong person, so cheers for that, Wolf. I got these like, I don't know what you'd call them, corner brackets. They're for fitting to, say I've got two bits of box section, fit them together and then I weld. That's why there's got this cut out there. So I can bolt them together, they're at an exact right angle, weld easily. Handy bits of kit to have, especially in the future when I'm going to start making more bits of furniture, and definitely another workbench to go exactly where the camera is. I'll put a link to these in the description for anyone who's interested. Really good quality. An order that came in yesterday because I've got a project coming up and I needed some bits and bobs for it. So I needed some steel for a future project that I've got coming up where I'm going to try and make some San Mai. I needed some 8670 because I wanted that in 8mm thick, and Dave over at Brown Flatstock, he had some in stock, so I ordered some of that, as well as some ATCR V2 in the same thickness, and then some 1095 for a kitchen knife that I've got coming up. I'll put a link to their site in the description. And last but by no means least, a care package from Abra, believe it or not. I ordered some bits and bobs. Bits and bobs from them for some projects that I've got coming up. They also sent me one of the new hole saw kits. I ordered a few different types of blades, reciprocating blades, the small and the considerably large ones, and then some of the jigsaw blades. And what I'm going to try and do is make a broaching tool for hidden tangs. So, and I'll be videoing that, and that'll be a future project. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you like these videos, and yeah, keep doing them while everyone's on lockdown. Thank you. So this is something I ordered. Fucking wasp. This is shit. The fucking all these fucking wasps. I'm doing that again. Fucking shit. Fuck. From the USA. No. Boiling. On that. And fucking fuck off. Fucking tit. What the fuck are they called? Sponsor, and they help me out. No fucking shit. Me, chat pure shit.